Welcome to Sturden Brothers Harvest Special video. Today we're featuring the 2012 T550 HillMaster. The machine has been fully inspected through our workshop and comes with a season's warranty. The HillMaster provides 22% terrain compensation. Additional specifications on this 550 are a premium residue management system with hydraulic chaff spreader, an 8,000 litre grain tank and a PowerTech 6.8 litre John Deere engine with a maximum power of 305 horsepower. The combine also comes with a premium cab with HD lighting and a 20-foot R-series header on a twin-axle Shelbourne Reynolds trolley. The offer price on this combine is £99,500 plus VAT and will come available with a full suite of finance options to business users. Please contact us for more information and details or to see this combine working.